So first take your stretchy band and stretch it around a cup and measure how long the length will be, and then take it off of the cup and then you're going to give it a little snippety snip and snip it right off where the length is supposed to be. After that, with the stretchy band, just sew the ends together to make it into a hair tie. The reason why we're doing this is because you don't need a hair tie for this, but if you want to, you can use a hair tie, but I'm just running low on it, so I'm improvising. So as you can see, it looks just like a hair tie. It doesn't matter how ugly it is because it's going to be covered up with our fabric anyways. Next, put it over the cup just like that and put your fabric under the hair tie that we just made so it's overlapping each other. Next, just pull down the flaps like what I'm doing here, and we're going to sew the edges, those edges right there, sew them shut just like this. I sewed the whole thing, however you want to keep the sides open, so don't sew the sides yet, because what we are going to do is we're going to flip it inside out so you won't see the ugly stitching part. Once you have done that, take your scrunchie out. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna look pretty ugly, but it's okay because we're gonna flip it inside out. So as you can see, I'm just flipping it. After you're done flipping it inside out, all you want to do to finish the scrunchie off is sew the ends together so it's very secure. If you don't sew the ends, then your scrunchie isn't gonna look like a scrunchie. So as you can see, just sew the left side with the right side on top of each other. And then you are done. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Goodbye.